Hey guys, it's Charlie Vlogs here. As you may have noticed, I've changed my name. Emma! God's sake. Emma! I'm recording you now. Recording you! Emma!
Show my belly!
Am I recording you? Anyway, as you may have noticed, I've changed my channel name and that. This is because I've been getting a load of hate for my name being misleading, so yeah, I've had to change it. Anyway. Yeah! Emma, for God's sake! Anyway guys, yeah. What? What do you want? Anyway guys, I'm doing this thing again where you comment what to do for my subscriber special. I'm not doing this for any purpose at all. I'd just like some suggestions on what to do for my subscriber special. I'm running low on ideas, basically. So yeah, let's just continue with the video. Emma, are you trying to push me again?
No, I'm not trying to do that.
Don't you dare!
Hit you.
Don't you dare! I'm recording you! Come on! Yeah. Okay. Yeah, recording one right now. Recording one right now.
What?
I'm recording one right now. Okay. Okay. Hey. Anyway. Tell me, are you allowed your faces on the internet? Yeah. Yeah, I'll try. I'll try. I'll try as hard as I can, okay? Okay. My parents decided to be super cheap and got me an iPhone 5.
It's alright.
But I had to change it to, yeah. So anyway guys, we're going over to the door to do that thing.
Yay!
Where we basically knock on the door, knock once, something. Come on. I'm trying my hardest. Having to block you out because I don't know whether your face is allowed on the internet or not. Come on, let's do it. So guys, I have to block Johnny's face off because he's not allowed on the internet.
I'll do it.
Okay.
How many step? Knock once if you're there, knock twice if you're not. Johnny, I know it's you.
Johnny,
Yeah, I know.
knock once if you're here, knock twice if you're not.
That's me knock first.
Knock once if you're here, knock twice if you're not.
No, it's Hannah's
Knocked
step.
once.
It's Hannah's step. Knock once if you're here, knock twice if you're not. Did anybody realise what it says Hannah step on the door?
Okay, ask him a different question.
Look, does the Hannah
Ask
step-
him or her a different question, or whatever the gender is.
Hannah.
Hannah Steph, are you here?
Does Hannah step down? Hannah step, are you here? Knock once if you are, knock twice if you're not. It knocked. It did.
Okay, ask it a different question.
Okay.
Just a different question.
Like what?
Daddy.
Knock once if you're a demon, not twice if you're something else. Not twice. Something else.
What am I doing? Knock someone up for me. I've got a question. Hannah Steph, do you
Pretty
like
sure.
McDonald's? Knock once if you do, knock twice if you don't.
Knocked once.
Likes McDonald's.
He likes McDonald's.
No. Hannah step. What are you? Knock once if you're an animal, knock twice if you're not. Knocked once.
It's an animal. Oh god.
What the hell?
I can stay all day doing this.
Should we do it again? Charlie, do you think it's good for the YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hello. There's another door.
Okay.
What's it?
Okay, okay.
It's not inside.
Dad.
Then go, Dad.
I'm not. I'm filming Charlie dance.
It's on the front facing not. It's on the back facing camera.
I'm facing him.
Okay guys, we're going up to the church now instead of there. It's getting a bit boring now. Let's just go up to the church, guys.
We're not allowed.
Just do it, Emma.
No, Charlie, you don't have to go into the church. Do you know there's the crack in the wall? She goes into all the
Okay guys, so yeah. We're going over to the church now and they're arguing over there. So yeah, let's just go over. So guys, yeah, it's proper cool out here.
I'll record this on Snapchat, but I can't.
And I hope my storage doesn't run out of space.
How much storage do you have?
Dunno.
Charlie, what's your YouTube channel?
Me. Okay, it's Charlie Vlogs. Me.
What's your picture?
It's just like a gaming, like, it's just some hand holding a controller or something.
Okay.
Charlie Vlogs. I have to change it. Okay. So guys.
No.
Hey.
Hey.
Wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Do you have any type of social media?
Yeah. I have Musical.ly and I have Snapchat.
Okay, go and follow him on Musical.ly and Snapchat.
I want to play hide and seek.
Emma,
We'll play hide and seek after.
we'll play hide and seek after.
Charlie will be on and he'll be the seeker. Yeah,
Okay,
because he'll have
fine.
the phone. Yeah, and
Not a good idea.
when he finds us, he'll be able to see where he's found us. Yeah.
I'll block the camera. Okay.
Darren,
Okay.
Turn around.
are you live on YouTube?
No. Oh, then block.
Great.
Can you edit it?
Yeah.
Do you have a laptop? Why
No.
do we have to?
No, but I've got an editing source on here.
Why don't you edit me and Abby out as a zombie or something?
I can't. There's no way I can do that. I can only do that in Sony Vegas on the laptop. Or I'll have to pay £100 for a membership on it.
Well, Charlie, see the crack in the wall over there?
Yeah.
Abby, you don't have to do it. I'm just showing Charlie something. I'm not gonna.
Phone's past 10 minutes now.
Do you get fined for any like illegal stuff?
Yeah. Like, YouTube has strict guidelines, such as you're not allowed to put violence, you're not allowed to put nudity.
What's nudity?
Nudity.
Yeah.
Do you not know what it is?
No.
Nakedness.
Oh, okay. What about nuking a city? I got a video of someone nuking a city on.
You're not allowed to also tell people to do like stuff that's dangerous, like
It's like
kill themselves or blow themselves up.
commit suicide,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah. Wait, look, guys.
Right
Josh,
there.
didn't me and you throw this rock over yesterday and it's back of the...
Didn't you also tell me that there was some sort of black figure?
Yeah.
Get down, get down, get down, get down.
It's after 6.
No, it's not. Yeah, it is.
After 6, the Grim Reaper.
No, there's just something over there. There's something over
Gonna
there.
go. Oh, it's like a pigeon. Yeah. It's like a pigeon
camera
thing
actually.
over there.
I can feel like Charlie, you point. My heart's beating so over there next to the wall.
Yeah.
It's over there.
The wall.
There's like
Yeah.
a big black.
There's like a big monster over there.
I can see it. I can see.
It only comes out when you throw the rock.
Oh my
Should we throw it again? No, because it's over there. If you go in, it'll come.
God.
What is that?
Why is that grave just turned black? That grave there just turned black.
Oh my
What?
God.
Why does it turn black? That wasn't black.
Holy Jesus.
That wasn't.
Do you share a channel?
He only has an account.
What?
Emma Ray.
What?
Emma Ray it is. It's only an account. Emma, it's
Go
only...
subscribe! Yes, you go subscribe!
Charlie Vlogs.
Oh, it's right.
I'm gonna throw another
Subscribe to Memeless.
What's that?
Wait.
I'm throwing another one! Let's throw this rock!
Pass.
Pass it.
That was the wrong place, Josh.
Pass it. Pass. Pass my phone. Okay.
No, pass it.
Hang on, gotta charge my phone. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and subscribe to Memeless, please. Bye.